Testing, testing. 1, 2. It's almost time for another death chat. John will not be joining today. Hang on. Where's the music? Where is the music? There we go. Alright. Alright. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, so I have not managed to do a lot this week. I did publish Serious Scrambler's latest update, so that's something. I added a new character into Saw Blades, adjusted the eyeball, did some settings. Okay, got it. It's not entirely done. I still need to make a unlockable background for Saw Blades before I have the next update ready. I'm kind of speed running the new update because I want to get it up before Christmas, you know. It's a little bit of a rush. Just a moment, I need to check something. Yeah, I can talk about this. Okay, good. Alright, so I'm not sure if Devious will show up, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to play my game. Just gonna play my game. With Santa. Let me just add this back in. Add this back in. Okay, good. Yeah, I think the center is alright. The sack is animating correctly, looks like. You know what would be really nice for Saw Blades? You know, something akin to Splatfest. That would be really great, but I don't know how to do something like that. You know, like I don't know what that entails, like in terms of costs. It'd be good if I can do something like that. So I was playing, well, you know, I recently got a Tamagotchi Uni, and they have events. They actually have events. You know, you choose a team and then you fight for your team, right? And I thought it's great, you know? It's like Splatfest. I would like to be able to do that, but I'm worried about server matters, you know? I wonder if I can do that without buying my own server, right? Can I just make use of whatever Apple provides or whatever Google provides? Ah, crap. Actually, did Devious say anything about coming? Let me see. No, I think he's just asleep. I think he's just asleep. Bravo. Well, I'm gonna play a little bit more, right? Just wait for him a little bit. Ah. Oh crap. That was stupid. Oops. Oh my god, what am I doing? I think I lost my mojo. That was close. Got it. Oh no. Oh, so too close, too close. There we go. Let's go for 200. How about that? Let's go for 200. Oh, not good. Yo, my god, that's so close. Oh no. Damn it. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. 166. I think I'm really rusty. How did I get 300 before? Alright. Let's see. Is DVS not here? Yeah, anyways, John cannot be here today because of, what do you call that? Christmas celebration. early Christmas party. And Devious is not here probably because of the time zone. Right, it's probably asleep, so I think I will just present my part. Right, and then call it a day. Okay. Let me start. So, let me just bring up a notepad. So, first thing first, I added center. As you can see. Let me bring up the pixel edit file as well. So I added center, right? Here we go, that's center. Took quite a bit of work because there's quite a few things to animate, right, with center. So first and foremost is the head, right? The headdress needs to be animated to add a sense of weight to the ball at the end. Yo, Han! Welcome, thank you for coming. Today's a little bit special. John cannot make it today, and I think Devious is probably asleep. So I'm doing it alone today. but thank you for hanging around. Yeah, I was just talking about what I've been doing, and well, I've been animating center, right? So the work, there's some work involved in animating the headdress, right? Trying to add a sense of weight to the ball at the end. That's one thing, but it's not just that, because center is also carrying a sack, right? So in the idle animation you don't really see the sack moving, but in other animations, right, you can kind of see that the sack is bobbing a little bit because it's supposed to be filled with presents, right? So that's one thing here. If you go to the jumping and falling, you can definitely see the weight in the sack shifting as you jump up and fall, right? So all of that takes a little bit of time. It's falling animation and so on and so forth. Yeah, so I did that. I generated the outline using the outline generation tool written within the game itself, and then I added center. So we have center. There we go. So I'm hoping to get center out before the 25th. I'm not sure if I can make that date, but I'll try. Okay. Let's see what else. The next thing I've done is the settings page. There you go. Settings page. So if you go to right, this will all be in the next update. Just some minor changes. Right, so if you go to say gameplay settings, right, I have added this thing called Phantom FX. Right, so you can turn off the effect, right, so it doesn't do that the black and white post-processing effect. Right, so no more black and white. Right, but you'll still disappear. Oh crap. You'll still disappear. There you go. Right, so this was done at the request of Za, right, the top 2 players in the world. So I added that. Let me just turn it back on. Oh, also this thing will not appear if you have not unlocked the mode. So let's check it out. Let's see if that actually works. I've not actually fully tested it out. Let me just test it now. Let me test it now. Hey. Hey. There you go. Where's the part where I say I have unlocked the thing? Let me see. Mode. There we go. Mode. Nope. Unlock modes. I'm going to set it to 1. I think this is correct. So if I do this, that means the Phantom mode is not unlocked. And if I were to go to settings page, that corresponding setting should not be there. Oh, bravo, it broke. God damn it. Wait, why did it break? Well, you know what? I think that's a good time to fix it. Oh yeah, I see why it breaks. Damn it. Okay, let's fix that. Let's fix that. Why don't we? How do I go about fixing that? That is in settings. Settings page. Gameplay settings. Let's go there. There you go. That's gameplay settings. Let me see. Why did it crash? Okay, it's because of this. I think I understand. Yep, I understand. I know what to do. If the index is lesser than 0, don't attempt to access the thing. There you go. Sorry about that. Let's test it again. These are the kind of things that worries me about trying to rush an update, right? Like, what if I accidentally leave a bug like this behind? Okay, anyways. Which line is this? 87? 87. Damn it. Hang on. Oh, sorry. Stupid. More than equals 0. There you go. Pretend you did not see that, please. Anyways. Oh my god. I goofed up. Hang on. Please don't save that. Unlock mode. Okay, that's still 1. Unlock mode is still 1, I think. Yep. Good. Yet to save to file. Anyways, okay, it's working now. See, the Phantom FX is not there anymore. If I were to unlock the mode, if the options should be there. There we go. Good. Okay, so that's the second thing that was done. What's the third thing? The third one is the eyeballs. So the eyeball behaves in a very specific manner that is different from all other Sawblades. Right, so if you play the eyeball in classic mode, you can see that when it gets close to you, it looks at you. Right, which I like, right? But then I noticed after releasing the previous update, like a couple weeks ago, that if you were to choose the eyeball for Phantom mode, it kind of gives you a little bit of an advantage, right? Because the eyeball will imply to you where you are on the map, despite the fact that you're invisible, right? So, I mean, it's not super OP, right? Because like for myself, I don't find the eyeball to provide too much, you know, in terms of where in terms of indicating where my player is, because most of the time I know where my player is, right? Because I'm that used to the game. But for someone new to the mode, I think the eyeball will come across as something that is like it would be the saw blade options to use, right? For specifically for this mode, and I don't want that to be the case. I don't want any saw blade to be like the dominant saw blades for any mode. So what I did was in Phantom mode, the moment you go invisible, right, the eyeball stops looking at you. There you go. So yeah, that's addressed, and I think that will fix the issue of the saw blades giving like a little bit of an unfair edge. So that's that. So that part is fixed as well. That's the three main things. Something that I've yet to do for the next update, like 1.14, is a new unlockable background. That one I want to do, and in fact I think I'll do it tonight. Get it done. Send it for review, right? Send it to Apple for review. Send it to Google for review. Hopefully it goes through before 25th. Fingers crossed, right? Of course, then I'll be doing my own internal testing. Maybe I can get the folks on the server to playtest it a little bit as well. But we'll see. Another thing that was done this week is I released Serious Scramblers 1.7.0. There we go. Right, so 1.7.0 features a center as well, and it was also where I got to revise deep linking on the iOS, right? The URL schemes, right? Deep linking and URL scheme, or the URI? I can't remember. Right, so that's that. What else? I think that's mostly it. I've been keeping an eye on the Serious Scramblers though. So Serious Scramblers is where I properly make use of the CMP, right? The consent management platform, because I'm using AdMob. And you know, AdMob, in order for AdMob to function, it does require cookies, right, on the user's device and stuff like that. So I need to get consent to use that. In the EEA, in the European Economic Area. So I've been looking at the figures there. Unfortunately, Serious Scramblers it's been so many years since I released it, right? So it doesn't really get many downloads anymore. It's like maybe a few downloads a day, right? So the figure is not enough for me to draw any real conclusion. But I think so far, since releasing earlier this week, the CMP message, the dialogue, right, the consent dialogue, has been shown 17 times, which is like too small a sample size to draw any real conclusion from, right? And the consent rate is like, say, lesser than 20%. Yeah, I'm not sure what that... I think the sample size is just too small to draw any conclusion. But yeah, it could be an indication of what to expect coming January. Right, so in the worst case scenario, the revenue will drop by like a fifth, right? 1/5. That's the worst case scenario, but we don't know, we'll see. It's not just me, a lot of people will be hit by it. It's also one of the reasons why like I feel monetizing through ads is is not the, I don't know, it's starting to feel like it's not super ideal. It's super troublesome to maintain. There's a lot of policy changes that I need to adhere to. So I'll rather not have to rely on those. Yeah, I want to learn to monetize through other means, right? Via product providing more substantial premium content, perhaps. Yeah. So I'll be looking to that for my future games. We will see. Yeah. What else? What else have I done? I think that's about it. So, going forward next week, I want to code the spawner, right? Code spawner for Mandible's project. What else? I think I want to make a devlog. I want to make a devlog, right? It's almost a year since I made my last one. That's not good, so I'll be doing that. Perhaps recapping everything I've done for Saw Blades. Perhaps also have another devlog talking about the playback system I have in Jamjaboa. Yeah. I need to also implement the content management platform for both JJ and Saw Blades. We'll see how that goes. It's not super fun to do, but I'll look into that once I release the next update. Release version 1.14.0 of Saw Blades. Right, so I need to do that as well. And that's it. I'm done. I'm done. That was a fast one today. It's not even half an hour, but I think I'm done. Let's see, Divya is still not here, right? So I think I can end it. Hang on, let me just disconnect from the server. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't suppose anyone here has any comments or questions or whatever. Yeah, and I hope you all have a great Sunday, by the way. Hope you all have had a great Sunday. I think what I'm going to do now is I am going to see if there's anyone to raid. Just a moment. Just getting the new score in Serious Scramblers! Yo! Have you unlocked Center, by the way? You know, sometimes I'm a little bit concerned about showing the thumbnails on Twitch, like on my main display, because there's a lot of suggestive stuff, right, recently. Not sure what happened there. Okay, let's see. Don't think so. Ah, you have not unlocked the center yet. I get it. Ah, Serious Scramblers. Yeah, Serious Scrambler is also on Steam. That reminds me, right? I promised people that I will bring Saw Blades and Jamjaboa to Steam. Maybe I should do that soon. Alright, anyways, hang on. Anyways, let's look for people to raid. Someone making a hyper casual game here, but I think this stream is not in English. You got rank 3 in what? In endless mode? Oh yo, I need to hang on, let me check. In endless mode? Nice. Let me check. You know, I kind of wished I made the final phase of the endless mode more difficult. Yeah, it's a kind of like an oversight on my part. I thought it would be difficult enough, but it turns out that once you get skillful enough, right, the last part becomes very much a test of endurance, and that's about it. Let me see. Yo, 1.7 thousand. That's sick. Yo, Lucy got 4.7k. This map here got 2.5. Yeah, how's anyone got that kind of endurance? That's amazing. Oh, I see Pinap as well. Pinap played that game. That's nice. Well, thanks for still playing my game, man. I appreciate it. Top 3 in the world. That's great. It's amazing. Okay. Anyways, who do we rate? Let's see. I don't think there's anyone. There's no one. Advent of Code from Science Boy. Can we just have like a small channel somewhere? Learn how to make 2D games in Godot. Oh, that sounds fun. That sounds fun. Yeah, why don't we pay a visit to Echo Putra Pratama? What's that? What language is that? Self-taught software developer since 2012. My hobby is gaming. Yeah, why don't we say hello to Echo then? /raid Echo. I hope I didn't spell anything wrong. 27 at the end. Okay. Anyways, thanks everyone for hanging around. Thank you, Han. I appreciate you being here always. Thank you. I think. Whoa, what are they doing? I hope they are not ending the stream. Please don't end the stream. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, mate. You know what? Let's rate them. All right, I'll run the outro, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Bye.